US guys, welcome back extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix App Store not downloading apps. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your settings and type on Wi-Fi. Make sure connect strong Wi-Fi connection. After connect strong Wi-Fi connection, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the next method. Open your App Store and type on Apple ID banner. Scroll down, type on sign out. After reset device, you can sign in. Check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the next method. Type on settings. Scroll down, type on journal. Scroll down, type on date and time. If the toggle turn off, make sure turn on the toggle. After turn on the toggle, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the next method. Next method that open your settings, go back, scroll down and tap on reset iPhone and tap on reset and type on reset network setting. Enter your passcode, type on reset. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.